Welcome to the To Be a Trader video series. Today we are going to look at the exit calculator. And I'm going to sign into the account. So one of the biggest challenges when you're a new trader is not only to calculate when you want to get into a position, but when you want to exit a position. When do you want to sell your trade? And one of the tools that's available on the To Be a Trader platform, something called the exit calculator. Now, the exit calculator was designed specifically for the BitSeven Exchange. It covers the 4 coins, and it covers all of the leverages for each coin. So when you choose a leverage, let's say Bitcoin, it's going to tell me that at leverage 1, the BitSeven Exchange is going to charge me 0.15% on that trade. If I was trading at 10% for Bitcoin, it would charge me 1.5% fees for trading. So in this example, we are going to look at a Litecoin trade. So I'm going to do a 5% leverage trade for Litecoin, nice and conservative. I've entered my trade, as you can see here, I've entered my trade at an average price of 152.11. So I want to calculate my exit position for this trade. I'm trading half a Litecoin, and I'm bought my trade at 152.11. So since I know it's 152.11, I'm going to put my 152.11 here. That's my buy-in, my execution amount. The BitSeven Exchange is going to charge me 1.93% for that trade. Win or lose, that's what they're going to charge me. I would like to earn 3% on this trade. And so the calculator tells me that I have to sell my trade no lower than 153.61. And this number takes into account both the trading fees and my desired earnings. The calculator also tells me what the movement has to be. So it has to gain 1.5 points in order to achieve my goal. So 152.11, 3% desired earnings, my sell order would be 153.61. So for whatever reason, I can't monitor the trade. I want to put in a limit sell so that the BitSeven Exchange automatically sells my trade. I now know that I can put in 153.61 as a limit sell order, and it is going to take care of the trading fees, and I'm going to earn 3% on my trade. So I'm going to show you, I'm putting in my limit sell order here. It's a sell. I still have my position there, my limit sell. I'm putting it in at 153.61. Right now the trading platform is trading at 152.71. It hasn't reached my desired earnings yet, but I put in my limit sell because I have to leave the computer. So then when it reaches 153.61, my open order, which is my limit sell, will get activated, and you can see right here that at 153.61, when I purchased it at 152.11, the unrealized P&L on the BitSeven Exchange is 4.93. 4.93% is the 1.93% here that the exchange is going to charge you, and it's my 3% net earnings. It works every time. If this had been a short, and I clicked on my down direction of trade or my short, and I put in my 152.11, I'm still trading at a 5 leverage. It's still 1.93% of my exchange fees. I still want 3%. The system now tells me that I should be selling it when it's lower at 150.61. So it works in both directions. It'll give you the right calculation in both directions. The other thing you can do with this calculator is you can have several trades on the go. You could have a bit trade on the go in the BitSeven platform, and you could have a Litecoin. And if I was doing Bitcoin at 5 and I'm at 38,000 and I want 4% on that one. If I save my calculations and I have to leave the computer or I have to sign out of my account, when I come back, then my calculations are still there. And I can change them at any time. And I can save them again, and the information will stay there. And it will stay there until you change your numbers again. If I want a clean slate, then I would put in zeros. And I would save. And now I have a clean slate. And that's basically how your exit calculator will work. You will notice that there is a miscellaneous on each of these coins, and we will visit the miscellaneous leverage on a separate video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.